In this tutorial, I will explain you how you can create simple login form in JSP and create servlet for validating the user form. Let's create a new project, file, new and dynamic web project. Name it as login. Example, select Tomcat 6 as we are going to deploy the application on Tomcat 6. Click on the next button, again click on next and click on the finish button. Now our application is ready. Let's create a JSP file, file new and JSP file index.jsp. So this is going to be our login form. Click on the finish button right here, login. Example, here we'll create a form name equal to login form, action equal to login. So login is a servlet which will be handling our validation process, and then method which is the post. Start p tag, enter username, input type equal to text and name is equal to username. Close the tag, insert the BR which is line break, enter password, input name equal to password, type is equal to password. So this is a password field, again BR tag for line break, and finally the button, submit button. Input type equal to submit. So we are done with the JSP form. Let's run it on the browser and see the output. Run on server, select Tomcat 6, next and then finish button. So this is our form is ready. You can type here. Now we'll create the servlet. First create the package, click on the Java resources, right click, new package, so rosedia.net. Click on the finish button. Now we'll create a new servlet, file, new servlet. So we'll write the class is a login. Click on the next button. Here the mapping should be login. So and write description login servlet. Click next and just deselect do post, do get. Will write in init and then the service method. So service method is going to handle the request. Click on finish. So this is the service method. Now we'll write the required code here. system.out.println and the we are in service method of servlet. So this will be printed on the console. That you can check it on the Tomcat console here. You can check on the Tomcat console when it is executed. Now save it. We'll create a variable called username. Username equal to root. So this is a variable name here, and password equal to users. We can write user here, and password is root. String un is equal to request dot get parameter and username. So this is the variable. If we check the login.jsp, this is the name of the username text field. Again, copy and paste for the password. PW variable is password, and change it to password. So this password field, this will fetch the data from the password field. So password, this variable will hold the data of the password field, and this variable will hold the data of username field. Now we'll check these against this username and password field. So string message msg equal to nothing. Check if username is equals to the username string which is defined here, and pw password dot equals the password. Then we can write that message is equal to hello plus username plus the login is successful. Else we can write another message, the error message is hello username, your login is unsuccessful here. This login, maybe you can write login failed. You can write any message here. Now we'll simply print the data on the response dot set content type is text and HTML. Text/HTML. Now we'll write the print writer out is equal to response dot get writer, and write the out dot println font size equal to 6, color red, and then the message here. Slash font. So we are done with the example. Now we'll test the example. We can check the web.xml file. Here we have a servlet defined here, servlet, login, login, and then the class name, which is roseindia.net.login, and servlet mapping, login servlet, and the mapping pattern is /login. So this variable was added automatically while creating the new servlet. So we'll just stop the server here. Server is stopped. You can see. Clear the console. I will deploy on the server. So click on login example and run as on server. We'll select Tomcat 6, next, and then finish. So we'll write ABC. So should give the error. Your login field. Okay, the spelling of field is not correct. So we'll change it. FAIL. So your login. Sorry. So login FAIL field. Again, we'll stop this and then click here, run as on Tomcat server, finish button. So username is user and password is root. So our login is successful. If we give the wrong username and password, anything, it should display the failed message. So we're done with the example, and here you can see the system.out.println message is being printed here on the console with that we are in the service method of servlet, which is nothing but printed from this line of code. Thank you.